Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce Alfia Nuraziza from the University of Surabaya. Today, I would like to present my research on synergistic effect of rising sea temperature and plastic pollution on coral reef biodiversity and ecosystem sustainability. This presentation explains how rising sea temperature and plastic pollution affect coral reefs, especially when both factors occur together. Next, coral reefs are very sensitive marine ecosystem. A major problem they face today in coral bleaching, which happens due to high stress caused by increasing sea surface temperature. Another serious issue is plastic pollution. Plastic waste can physically damage coral tissue and release toxic substances into water. When rising sea temperature and plastic pollution occur at the same time, their combined effect can accelerate coral life degradation. However, studies that discuss the combined effect are still limited. Next. Several previous studies have discussed these issues, but one Hawkins et al. 2017 said that rising sea temperature are the main cause of mass coral bleaching, especially during El Nino event. Tu Lam et al. 2018 found that plastic debris can increase coral disease risk up to 20 times. Singaputra and Sagita 2022 report that marine plastic was negative effect was ecosystem and small scale fishermen. From the study, we can see a research gap. There is still limited understanding of the synergy effect of rising sea temperature and plastic pollution, as well as a lack of integrated mitigation strategies. Next, method. This research as the descriptive, quantitative, and qualitative method. Quantitative that were asked to analyze the relationship between sea surface temperature, plastic pollution density, and leaf coral cover. Qualitative that were obtained with observation, documentation, and community reports. This approach was supposed to provide a comprehensive understanding of coral reef conditions. Next, recent research show that rising sea temperature increases the frequency and intensity of coral bleaching events. Plastic pollution causes physical injury to coral and increases disease risk. At higher temperature, plastic degrades fast and releases toxic compounds. How do major environment stressors resist sea surface temperature and plastic pollution interact synergistically to accelerate the degradation of coral reef ecosystem? This topic is particularly important as coral reef play a critical role in supporting marine biodiversity, coastal protection, and the livelihood of millions of people worldwide. The Bajan coral reefs are with recognition as one of the most productive and biological diverse ecosystems on the planet. However, their high sensitivity of the change in environmental conditions makes them vulnerable to global climate change. One of the most significant pressure they face in is the rise surface temperature according to Hawkins et al. 2017. Global warming has led to a marked increase the frequency, duration, and intensity of mass coral bleaching events, especially during strong El Nino episodes. Second, in parallel with rising temperature, plastic pollution has emerged as another major threat to coral health. Recent work by Lam et al. 2018 revealed that plastic debris not only causes physical abrasion and injury to coral tissue, this issue, but also dramatically increase the likelihood of disgrace infection up to 20 times more than in rape and fact by plastic waste. And the last Singapore and Sagittarius 2022, this is the temperature accelerates the breakdown of plastic material in marine environment. This accelerates degradation led to the release of toxic chemical compound microplastic, and other harmful substances, which further burden coral physiological. Next, result. In this session, I will present the quantitative and qualitative finding from our assessment of coral reef condition, focusing on the surface temperature, plastic pollution, and their combined effect, followed by field observation, community perception, and documentation results. The quantitative results show that rising sea surface temperature has a strong negative correlation with live coral cover, with a correlation value of R negative 0.C. Plastic pollution density also has a negative correlation with coral cover, with R negative 0.55. The interaction between high temperature and high plastic pollution is statistically significant with P 0 and 0.1. This indicates that coral reef exposed to bad stressor experience the greatest decline in health and biodiversity. And the last qualitative observation, so coral bleaching, tissue damage, increased disease, and reduced fish abundance. Local community also report economic impact on tourists and fisheries. Next, this slide shows the result of our analysis of the synergy effect of rising sea temperature and plastic pollution. From the quantitative data, we found that higher sea surface temperature sea, and increased plastic pollution, but reduced leaf coral cover significantly, and the increase between the two stressors further amplify reef degradation. Qualitative results from field surface and community interviews support the findings showing visible coral bleaching, physically damaged, and reduced biodiversity. Overall, this outcome confirmed that temperature rise and plastic pollution and together to accelerate coral decline and that ecosystem sustainability. In summary, both quantitative and qualitative results confirm that rising temperature and plastic pollution while synergistically accelerating coral degradation and biodiversity loss. Therefore, in the great conservation action, including waste management, community education, and climate adaptation, are essential to protect coral reef ecosystem and the livelihoods that depend on them. Next, several previous studies have included that is all formal. Include in conclusion, raising sea temperature and plastic pollution but have seriously impact negative impact on coral reef. This impact becomes more severe when both factors are served together. Therefore, integrate mitigation efforts addressing climate change and plastic pollution are essential need to protect coral reef ecosystem. Next, reference. The main reference as in the study are et al. 2017. The effect of multiple adverse experience on health, axiomatic review, and meta-analysis. Second, Lam et al. 2018. Plastic waste associated with disease and coral. And the last, Singapura and Sagita 2022. Analysis of the impact of plastic waste in the sea and the activity of small-scale fishermen in Jakarta. Next. So that's all about the topic synergy effect of rising sea temperature and plastic pollution on coral reef biodiversity and ecosystem sustainability. That's all from me, Afia. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.